Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite Christmas dessert recipe with pear, poaching red wine with Christmas spices, hazelnut crumble and amazing chocolate mousse. Christmas is coming and I totally recommend you try this recipe at home because of this beautiful smell from poaching liqueur will be all over your house. So let's do it.
I start with my hazelnut crumble. First of all, I'm gonna roast my hazelnuts in the oven 180 degrees Celsius for around 5 minutes. Then I let them cool it down and peel them nicely. Now I mix butter, fine sugar and plain flour in the machine. You can use even hands, but the machine is much faster. When it's everything combined, I'll put my hazelnuts in and mix for a few more seconds. And now I just combine everything with the hands and put on baking tray and make it nice and flat. Alright, I'm gonna use ruler. Okay, not today. So let's finish with the hands and put inside the oven for 170 degrees Celsius until you get nice brown color around. Then just take it out and leave it to cool it down. Now it's time for my poached pear. So I'll peel my pears nicely and put them inside the pan. You can cut the top out if you want, but I think they look quite cute, so I will leave it. Then I put some red wine. Don't need to be any expensive wine, just don't use any trash. Some spices, cinnamon, star anise, allspice and sugar by taste. And leave it to cook on low heat until pears are soft. For my lemon gel, I'm gonna need first peel some skin from the lemons. Then I cut them in half and squeeze all the juice out. And guys, are you still struggling with new ideas for your dishes? Or you think your plating is not nice how you like to be? I'm doing personal cooking coaching, so if you want me to help you become an amazing chef, check out the link in the description down below and book discovery call with me and let's work it out together. I got around 200 ml of lemon juice, so I mix it with water so I end up with 1 liter of liquid. Now I mix everything in the pan with lemon zest and sugar. And I also put some yellow coloring so my gel get nice color. When the mix is boiling, I put 12 grams of agar and cook everything for 3 minutes. Then I pass it through the chinois and put inside the fridge to set. Then I just put everything inside the machine, blitz it properly, and my lemon gel is done. Next one, I gonna do white chocolate mousse. First, I chop my chocolate so it melt faster. Also, cut some vanilla in the half, scrape the seeds out and mix it with the chocolate. Now we're gonna put some heavy cream and let to melt everything together nice and slowly. When chocolate is melt and everything is nice combined, I'm gonna put it inside the fridge to cool it down again. And after 1 hour, mix is set and I'm gonna mix it with the machine for few more minutes and my white chocolate mousse is done. In this time, pears are soft, so I just cut the middle out and they are ready to go as well. And if you like today's recipe guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. I'm gonna do also some red wine sauce. So I take out a little bit of poaching wine with spices and reduce it down. Then I put some butter in and my sauce is done. Last step, I'm gonna crush my crumble and it's time to put everything on the plate. Start with my lemon gel. Today, I'm gonna do 2 platings again. The second option and more bonus videos you can see on my Patreon page. Just check out the link in the description down below. Now is coming poached pear in red wine with Christmas spices, hazelnut crumble, few more hazelnuts and small lemon balm, red wine sauce, and this stuff smells just amazing guys. Nice quantity of white chocolate mousse and a little bit more white chocolate on the top. I hope you enjoyed today's dessert guys. If you learned something new, give it thumbs up, And if you wanna see more of my work or get personal cooking coaching from me, check out the link in the description down below. And if you're first time here, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.